I never thought a quiet day at home could feel so special. Really? I had big plans. I wanted to go out, meet my friends in the park, laugh, talk, enjoy the sun. But somehow, my whole plan changed. And I didn't expect my day to become this calm and this nice. Hi, everyone. I'm Luna. If you want to learn English with easy and fun stories, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Okay, let's start. I woke up with a big stretch and looked at my phone. Saturday, my free day. I said to myself, all right, Luna, today is park day. You'll meet your friends, relax, enjoy nature. I made a cup of coffee and sat on the couch. I took a small sip and smiled. The weather outside looked beautiful. Warm sunlight, green trees, people walking. Perfect for a park day, but suddenly something felt off. I don't know why. My energy was low. I felt slow, quiet, and not in the mood to talk to anyone. I looked at my apartment, a shirt on the floor, dishes in the sink, shoes everywhere, and Milo, my little cat, staring at me like, "Girl, fix your life." I laughed and said, "Milo." What? She meowed dramatically. I looked outside again, then back at my home. Maybe I'll stay home today. And just like that, plan changed. First, I put on some soft jazz music, the kind that makes everything feel calm. Then I opened the windows and said, "Fresh air. Come in, please." I started with the living room. I folded blankets, fixed pillows, picked up random socks, threw away old receipts. Milo followed me everywhere. She walked very slowly, like a boss checking my work. I said, "Milo, are you cleaning with me or judging me?" She meowed. "Judging? Obviously." Then I cleaned the kitchen. I washed dishes, cleaned the stove, wiped the counter, organized the spices. When I opened the fridge, I found old vegetables that were not alive anymore. Bye. I threw them away. Next, the closet. I opened the door and gasped. It was a disaster. Like a tornado lived inside. Clothes everywhere, empty hangers, shoes hiding, a bag on top of a sweater for no reason. I put my hands on my head. Oh no, not today. But okay, Luna, let's do this. I took everything out, made 3 piles. Keep, wash, donate. While folding clothes, Mia climbed inside the empty closet and sat like a queen on her throne. Mia, seriously? She stared at me like she owned the place. At the end, the closet looked clean, beautiful, and normal. For once. Next job, grooming Milo. The moment she saw the brush, she froze. I said softly, "Baby, Just a little brushing. She meowed like I was ruining her whole life. I brushed her fur, cleaned her paws, cut a few little tangles. She acted like I was attacking her. But when I gave her her favorite treat, suddenly she loved me again. Milo, drama queen. After cleaning, I felt hungry, very hungry. I asked myself, what should I cook today? And suddenly, lasagna appeared in my mind. Golden, cheesy, perfect. So I wrote a list and went to the supermarket. The weather was still sunny. Inside the store, I picked fresh tomatoes, garlic, herbs, cheese, pasta sheets, and yes, something sweet too. When I paid, the cashier said, "Cooking something good today?" I smiled, lasagna. She nodded like this was a holy decision. Back home, I put Italian music on. I chopped onions. My eyes cried like crazy. Why does good food hurt me? Then I cooked the sauce slowly. Onion, garlic, tomatoes, herbs. The smell filled the whole kitchen. I layered everything carefully. Sauce, pasta, cheese, sauce, pasta, cheese again because I love cheese. When the lasagna came out of the oven, it looked beautiful. Golden, melting, perfect. The first bite, I said out loud, "Luna, you are amazing." Milo sniffed the air, jealous again. Around 7 p.m., I took a shower, put on comfy clothes, lit a candle, and opened a cold beer. I took chips, my dessert, and sat on the couch. Time for Pluribus, the new series everyone was talking about. Don't worry, no spoilers. But I'll say this. The first episode was mysterious and artistic. Different small stories happening at the same time. Some characters looked sweet. Some looked scary. The music was deep and emotional. The colors of the scenes were beautiful. I kept saying, "Wait, what's happening?" Okay, I need episode 2 now. Milo sat next to me like she understood everything. We watched together until it got late. Before bed, I washed the dishes, brushed my teeth, washed my face, and got into pajamas. Mia jumped onto my bed immediately. I turned off the lights and whispered, "This was a good day, a cozy day." Sometimes staying home is exactly what my heart needs. And then I fell asleep. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me until the end. If you enjoyed this simple and cozy English story, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Your support gives me the energy to make more fun English learning stories for you. See you in the next episode.